Welcome to today's video. If you're a content creator or someone dreaming of starting a YouTube channel, you know how important it is to create videos that stand out. But let's face it, the process can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's where AI comes to the rescue. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI tools and exploring the top 3 must-have tools that can completely transform the way you create videos. These AI tools are not just about saving time. They help you craft professional, eye-catching, and engaging content that your audience will love. So whether it's designing the perfect thumbnail, writing compelling scripts, or even editing your videos effortlessly, these tools are here to make your life so much easier. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take your YouTube game to the next level. Remember, there is no giant secret behind any of this. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us out. Let's jump right in. Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a game-changing tool designed to simplify video creation like never before. With this powerful platform, you can transform any text, be it a blog post, article, or script, into a professional quality video within minutes. All you need to do is paste your text, and Pictory will automatically suggest relevant visuals, animations, and background music that perfectly match your content. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to anyone, even those with no prior video editing experience, saving you time and effort while delivering stunning results. What sets Pictory AI apart are its advanced AI-powered features that elevate your videos to the next level. The auto-captioning and subtitling tools ensure that your content is accessible and engaging to a broader audience. The AI voiceover feature allows you to add professional narration in various accents and languages, making your videos stand out. Additionally, the scene detection technology breaks down your text into perfectly timed visual segments, creating a seamless flow that keeps viewers hooked. These intelligent tools make Pictory AI an essential companion for anyone looking to create impactful videos effortlessly. Pictory AI makes your content versatile and ready for any platform. Its aspect ratio customization tool allows you to adapt your videos for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform without losing quality. The tool also integrates with popular stock media libraries, giving you access to millions of royalty product libraries and videos to enhance your content. Being cloud-based, Pictory AI ensures that your projects are always accessible, allowing you to create and edit videos from anywhere. Whether you're a marketer, YouTuber, or business owner, Pictory AI empowers you to deliver professional-grade videos tailored to your audience. With Pictory AI, creating stunning videos has never been easier, faster, or more accessible. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI tool designed to make your life simpler and more productive. It can hold natural, human-like conversations and assist you with almost any task. Whether you need help writing an email, creating a YouTube script, solving a tough problem, or even brainstorming creative ideas, ChatGPT is there to provide fast, accurate, and context-aware answers. It's the perfect assistant for students, professionals, and anyone who wants smarter and faster solutions in their day-to-day work. ChatGPT comes packed with features that make it stand out. Need help writing essays, reports, or social media posts? ChatGPT has you covered. It's also great for coders, offering solutions like debugging, explaining code, or generating ready-to-use snippets. If you're stuck on a complex topic, ChatGPT can break it down into simple, easy-to-understand language. It can even translate languages or summarize lengthy content in seconds. No matter what you're working on, ChatGPT's intelligent tools make it easy to get things done efficiently. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it's available whenever and wherever you need it. Whether you're on your computer or phone, it's just a few clicks away. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't need any technical skills to use it. Plus, businesses can integrate ChatGPT into their workflows for tasks like customer support or content creation. As it continues to improve and evolve, ChatGPT is becoming the go-to AI assistant for millions around the world. With ChatGPT by your side, you can save time, boost creativity, and tackle challenges with confidence. It's more than just a tool, it's your ultimate AI partner. Canva AI. Canva AI is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that makes graphic design accessible for everyone. One of its standout features is Magic Design, which helps you create stunning templates in just a few clicks. Whether it's YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or banners, all you need to do is upload your content or select a theme, and Canva AI will generate professional quality designs instantly. It's the perfect solution for creators looking to save time and create visually striking content without any prior design experience. Canva AI takes creativity to the next level with its intelligent tools. The text-to-image feature transforms simple descriptions into unique visuals, allowing you to turn ideas into reality effortlessly. Other tools like the background remover let you isolate subjects and images seamlessly, while the Magic Resize feature adjusts your designs to fit any platform, from YouTube to Instagram. These smart tools not only enhance your designs, but also make sure they're ready for every platform, ensuring your content always looks its best. Canva AI isn't just about individual design, it's perfect for teams too. Its real-time collaboration feature allows multiple users to work on the same project together, making it ideal for group projects or businesses. Additionally, Canva integrates with popular platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and social media channels, so you can easily upload, share, or download your designs. Being a cloud-based platform, Canva AI ensures you can access your projects from anywhere, making it a versatile tool for creators on the go. Canva AI is more than just a design tool. It's a creative companion that helps you produce professional quell visuals effortlessly, leaving you more time to focus on your content. And that's it for today's video. We've explored Canva AI, Pictory AI, and ChatGPT, 3 incredible tools that can transform the way you create content and boost your productivity. Whether you're a designer, video creator, or someone looking for a smart assistant, these AIs have something amazing to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. And if you're excited to learn more about tools, tips, and trends that can level up your creativity, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.